What's up everybody, JC here, back with another video. Got an unboxing. I talked about it a little bit in yesterday's video. If you haven't checked out yesterday's video, go watch that. My roommate just started his YouTube channel, so it's just kind of shouting him out and then getting to know him. And I have his stuff linked and that stuff. But let's get straight into the unboxing. Not going to be too long. Got to go run in about 15 minutes, so trying to get this out of the way. Super excited. If you can tell by that diagonal tape, we got a Nike pickup. Got this off the sneakers app. If you guys follow me on well, actually I made a video about this last week, so not gonna ruin it right now because I kind of want to wait to pull it out for dramatic effect. But I got this shoe. It dropped early on sneakers. Hopped on right away, purchased them because they're not supposed to drop for 3 more weeks. There's the return label with all the information. Got them for $5 shipping and tax, so a total of $205. And I was super excited to get these bad boys in because this is a shoe I've been wanting for a long time. But I think the last time they released was 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, somewhere along those lines. And obviously the resale is going for $300, $400, $500, so I was not going to pay for that. When I heard these were re-retroing in 2018, got super excited, but also kind of nervous because I know that Jordan Brand said they're going to make shoes more limited. So you can see right there, size 13, and if you know, this is a Jordan 3, Jordan 4, I believe, kind of box. They're all kind of similar with the elephant print on the bottom. So let's get right into the shoe. Elephant print on the wrapping paper, and these, my friends, are fire. I wish I would have got a size 12, 12 and a half because Jordans do tend to fit me big. But right here we have the black cement 3s, 2018 pair. Super excited to add these to my collection, especially 3 weeks early. I kind of feel like one of the famous big YouTubers because I was able to add them 3 weeks early. But right here, my guys, Nike Air branding on the back. I've been wanting these for a very long time. Was able to get them for retail, so super excited about that. That I didn't have to pay resale for older pairs, and it's a new pair, so it's not going to deteriorate on me right away like an older pair would be. Elephant print, all black leather. The leather on these is all right. I'm gonna say this right here. This is now, I believe, my second pair of Jordan 3s. I know I've had some in the past. These Cyber Monday 3s, I know a lot of you guys are sleeping on these. This is one of my favorite pairs of Jordans. The leather on this is amazing. It probably is even a step up from these cement 3s. But for whatever reason, these are going for like $80, $90 whenever you see them online because they released the end of 2016, so they've been out for a very long time now. But these are some of the best quality Jordan 3s I've ever felt in my life, seen it in hand, in person. So these are a step up from the quality on these, but just the colorway on these is ridiculous. It's one of the OG, colorways. It's one of the classics. Whenever you think of Jordans, you see these, you see the white cement 3s, white cement 4s. But these guys, I've been waiting for a very long time to get these in my collection, so I'm just super excited. Like I said, size 13, which we'll manage. It'll work. But I kind of wish I would have got a size 12.5. But when they released, it was like go, random drop, go, and I was like boom, checked out sneakers, and my assigned size was a size 13. I know resale on these right now anywhere from $300 to $350 is what I'm seeing, but definitely not thinking about releasing these. Maybe I'll go for a pair on release day because they released the 17th, I believe. So maybe I'll go for a pair on release day. But this is definitely a pair that's sticking with me. I'm super excited to get these in hand. If I haven't talked to you on this channel before, just know that I've been looking for this pair for a very long time. Excited to finally have my hands on them. And early, 3 weeks early, which is kind of cool. Like I said, it makes me feel like one of the top dog sneaker YouTubers. I always get their stuff early. So that's about it for this video. I'm gonna get this lid. Just wanted to unbox it, show you guys real quick before I had to go. Right here. Yeah, I'll do a more in-depth review and probably an on-foot once I have more time. Finally, I get a shoe ahead of time where I can do like an on-foot review and everything, and it's not like way in the past. So super excited about that. Gonna get some good shots of these and gonna get some good wear out of these. I'm super excited. If I haven't said that in this video, I'm super excited to have these in hand. So they retail for $200, ended up being $205. I didn't want to take any chances because usually on the last couple of Jordan releases, I hold off, I wait off, and every now and then, well, more often than not, they will go into retail. But these, I didn't want to take any chances. I knew these were going to be very, very sought after. I don't know how many pairs they made, so I didn't want to take any chances. So I just bought them first opportunity I had, and I'm glad I did. These look great in person. It's crazy to finally own pairs like this. This is what makes it fun for me, is just always wanting the pairs, you know, seeing the pairs, saying, should I buy it now? Yeah, debating whether you should spend the money, and then finally getting a pair in hand after all these years. I mean, I guess not all these years. I mean, it's been about 2 years since that I've wanted these. Finally able to get them. Another pair that I'm super excited for are the Bread Toes, the Bread Toe ones, and then also, also the Concord 11s coming in October, November, December. You know, the usual time for the Jordan 11s that Jordan releases. But as for these, super excited. Not much more. Like I said, once I have more time, probably later tonight, I will do a more in-depth review, get an on-foot of these. But I just want to unbox these bad boys. They came in the mail yesterday, but I wasn't able to do a video till today because they got dropped off the UPS for whatever reason. So I had to go pick them up. Finally got them in hand. Waited until the video to unbox them, which was like 4 hours ago when I picked them up. So I was like, God, I really want to open these. But waited to open them until I boxed them. And now here we are. So appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, any comments, let me know down below. I'll be happy to answer them. But in my opinion, definitely a must cop for this release. I believe February 17th is the official release. Super excited to have got these early. Super fortunate. I finally won one. I usually don't win those early releases. I usually don't get lucky, but we got them in hand, baby. So like I said, thank you for watching this video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.